candle is gonna make me feel calm. This candle is gonna make me feel relaxed. I love the fact that it's so thick as well for all my thick dilemmas in life. And guess what? The best thing about it, it crackles. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, another one of my favorites. Hi guys, I hope you're all good. Welcome back to my channel. So I thought I'd jump on here today and show you some of my monthly favorites. I've been really excited about this item for a long time, and I think I'm out of breath. I think this is one of the things that made me realize I'm an adult, because who gets excited about buying a steamer? I got a steamer and I'm literally so excited about this. I've been wanting this for ages, like for months. Who gets excited about a steamer? I've got some like shirts and stuff that I want to wear, but they're all creased. Half of me is like, you're not leaving the house, you're in lockdown. No, you deserve to feel great. I don't need an iron because I don't like ironing. It's not fun. I got this from Amazon. I think it was $26.99, and it's so good. And it's got a, oh, it's leaking. Oh, it's got a water tank. It's got measurements on here, and then there's a line here that says max, so you can only fill up the water just before the maximum line. You fill this up with water, and then once that's done, you just lock it. You plug this into the wall. This will go red, and then eventually it will turn green, which means that it's ready to use. And then you press on this, which is the steam switch, and then you just start steaming your clothes. And it comes with a glove. I do wear a glove when I'm using this just because it is hot. This as well is to protect this, and there you go. So this is actually one of my best purchases this month. I don't regret this. I'm definitely going to use it more often. Let me show you another one of my favorite purchases. This candle here, I am obsessed. This is so good. Oh my god, it's so nice. Oh, it's literally so good. This is a wood wick candle. I've never actually tried one of these before, and oh my god, if you're thinking about getting candles, I recommend this one. I'll leave it linked down below. I think in terms of scents, my favorites are like vanilla, sandalwood, jasmine. They're the scents I tend to go towards if I'm online, because I know I like their smells. But honestly, shopping for candles online is so difficult because I'm the type of person where I need to smell everything. I had to just trust my intuition, so I grabbed this one. This one was, I think it was £22, and it's a huge candle. I didn't realize how big it was, so it's definitely worth it. And this scent is Fireside. I'll actually light it up so you guys can see what it's like. But honestly, this candle has helped me so much. Honestly, it's become part of my like evening routine. I brush my teeth, do my skincare at night time. I put the kettle on, make some chamomile tea, and then I come in here, light my candle, and read a book. So I'm gonna light this up so you guys can see. So peaceful at night time. And bear in mind, in my room I don't have a lamp. I need to get one actually. The light doesn't come all the way through, so it does get quite dark in here. Even now it's the daytime and it's quite dark. So I just thought this little candle in the dark is so nice. And guess what? The best thing about it, it crackles and it's so peaceful to me. Listen. It's so peaceful. And it smells so... Let me wait for that to go. Honestly, I love it. If you know me, you know I love scents. Like, I'm the queen of scents. I love smells. Yeah, I love that candle. So good. Like I said, it's become part of my evening routine. I just find it really relaxing and ready to go to bed because I struggle to fall asleep. I never used to be like that, but insomnia and adulthood, like, I also got some other candles. I'll show you guys those as well. Oh, by the way, I got all these candles from Just My Luck, which is an online shop. They sell makeup on there. They sell a lot of things. I didn't realise they had candles, so yeah. Also, by the way, when I bought these candles, I didn't realise they were so big. This one is another one of my faves. I'll leave this link down below also. This is frankincense and myrrh. Smells so nice. This one doesn't crackle. From Shira Candles. The description here is a rich Arabian fragrance combining the oils of special wood, spices, musk and vanilla. Yes, please. I like to light this one when I'm meditating. It's just such a nice smell. Yeah, when it comes to lighting candles, I like to light them all at once, but have all the fragrances blend together. I just love it. And I just think it's so pretty. Like, it's matte and it's like purple. Such a nice shade. And I love the little gold top here. I just think candles are so cute. And even if they're finished, you can always like reuse them, so like you can put things inside. For that wood wick candle, because the container is made of clear glass, what I'm going to do is clean it out and then put some petals in there, because I've got some petals that I kept from like flower bouquets. It's so cute. And another one of my favorite candles is this one here. This one is also Shira Candles, however it's called Amber Noir. I saw it and I was like, ooh, bougie name. It's a rare dark essence of tuberose, violets and amber, sensual and mysterious. It will stimulate the senses. Oh my god, this smells so good. It's so nice. I love how big it is as well. 3 little wicks there. So yeah, I will leave all these candles linked down below. I bought them and they came quite quickly. So yeah, candles have become a massive part of my self-care routine. I light some candles, put a face mask on, watch a film, or like read a book, and I'm good to go. I feel so much better. For me, I like to light them with intention. Like, this candle is gonna make me feel calm, this candle is gonna make me feel relaxed. Do you know what I mean? Stuff like that. Another one of my favorites, incense candles. I love incense candles. I light one every day. I think I've mentioned this before. I light an incense candle every single day. Most of them are from Amazon and the other ones are from Happy Buddha. I got them in Bournemouth just because I love to buy scents in person. It smells so good. I think my favourite has to be sandalwood or shandan. It smells so good as well. White sage is always good. Arabian musk I like as well. I just love them all. And I put them in this container here. I got this little makeup storage thing from Primark. What I did was just remove the drawers like this. And then I put my incense candles in there. So that back there is basically this, and I keep my lighters here as well. I just have one of these. Look, candle collection, look at me. I can't go a day without lighting one. I just don't know what it is. It's become part of my routine now. My environment is my mind, so basically if my room is messy, my mind is also messy. If my room is clean, tidy, then mentally my thoughts will feel like, you know, less scrambled together. Whereas if my room is a mess, then I can't think straight, honestly. However, when I was a teenager, that was a whole different story. Like, what was organization, please? Like, I was not organized at all as a teenager, in terms of like my room and stuff. If my teenage self saw myself now, she'd be like, who gets excited about a steamer? So that's how we do it then. That's how you keep tidy, like that's how you keep your things organized. Now I'm like, everything has a home. That's what it is. Becoming an adult, I've realized everything needs a home. And if there's no home for things, then I don't know. Like, I'm the type of person that if my friend comes around, they need something, I'm like, yeah, go in my drawer on the top right and the left, you know what I mean? Okay. Also, another one of my favorites this month, or in lockdown, this book here. Oh my god. Can we talk about this? By the way, most of these things are from Amazon, if not all. I love Amazon. This is a celestial journal. Oh my god, I love this. I saw it online and I was like, this is so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. It's just so magical and like mystical. I love it. I use this book to write all my manifestations in here, and I keep this separate from my everyday journal. This is my everyday journal where I just journal. I write down my thoughts, how my day went. I just reflect a lot in here. And yeah, I keep this separate from this journal here, just because this journal, I dump everything that's on my mind. So it can be positive things, negative feelings. However, this one is strictly just positive feelings, positive affirmations going out to the universe. And I love it. I just love it. I've actually only started writing in it recently, but it's so nice. Like, I write stuff in here and I write it as if I've already achieved my goals. I'm not going to give any examples, obviously, because it's personal. You can write stuff in the present moment as if you already have what you want. So say if my goal was to start running, I'd write down in this diary, I'm so thankful that I have started running. I feel and I can see the positive changes in my life. I feel more free, alive and happy. And believe it or not, the universe is going to be like, okay girl, I see you. And then all of a sudden you start running, and those feelings that you wrote in this journal you feel in that moment, because you've manifested that, you've made that your reality. It's so nice because when I write these things down, I can actually feel the happiness. As I'm writing, I feel such strong emotions and feelings that I just start crying. I'll leave it linked down below. I just said to myself, I need a pretty notebook, because if I don't look at it and think, wow, writing in it, I'm not going to feel like, you know, inspired. I'm not going to feel like, wow, I want to write in this. But this has like gold pages and everything, so I was like, yes please. So cute. So I would recommend this. And this one as well has saved my life, honestly. I write everything in here. I love the fact that it's so thick as well, for all my thick dilemmas in life. Another one of my favorites as well isn't an object, however, it's a website that I've been using a lot recently. It is World of Books. No, this isn't sponsored. I can't believe I have to say that now. I love World of Books. Basically, it's a website that sells secondhand books for really cheap. There's fictional books and non-fictional books on there. And if you love reading, or if you're not even into reading, check that page out and your mind will change. Because you'll just type in any subject. It can be like spirituality, for instance. A load of spirituality books will pop up, different subjects, different topics, or you can type in, it can be anything, cooking, recipes, meals. Loads of books and different options will pop up for you, and you can just pick what's your favorite and it will get delivered to you. So basically, I've purchased loads of books from there. Some of the ones I've purchased are Healing Energies of Music, Recovery of Your Inner Child, Parallel Worlds, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. I bought all of these books just because I'm going to be stuck in lockdown for a long time, so I just thought if I buy these books, I'm going to try and read 1 book each month. I actually need to start a new one. This is a Celestial bookmark. It says We Are Stardust, Born to Shine. This one and this one are paired together, but this one was £2.50. This one was, I can't remember, I'll leave a link down below. I just think it's so cute how it comes hand in hand. I don't necessarily use it for my manifestation journal just because I like to use a bookmark for my books, like the ones that I read. So yeah, I'm trying to think of more monthly favourites. Another one of my monthly favourites is this perfume here, which is Black Opium by Yves Saint Laurent. It smells so good. I'm literally obsessed. I love this perfume so much. It just has such a nice musky, dark nighttime scent. If date night was a perfume, it'd be this. Obviously that's subjective, but this is what I think of. It gives me strong. This is so good. I can't describe it. It's so nice, and I like to wear this even in lockdown because like make yourself smell good all the time. Because even if you take out the bin, you never know who you bump into. Hopefully not in the bin because we're not trying to attract. I don't know. Let me go through my purchases on Amazon. Okay, I'm gonna go through my... Sorry, hold on, let me just taking a selfie because I look good today. Oh, another one of my monthly favourites. Obviously, this won't apply to everyone, but this microphone here has actually changed my life. This is a new microphone that I got for myself. I just thought I'd upgrade. This is the Rode NT1A. Came with the stand, and then I got the Focusrite Scarlett interface. I use that all the time for just like recording my vocals and stuff. Obviously, if you didn't know, I'm a music student at uni, so we do a lot of, you know, vocal work, you know. So yeah, that's been very good, obviously. I got a green screen. What was that for? Hi, if you're wondering why I look like this, I have to film a performance video for my uni. And I'm gonna have to put up a green screen. I've never used one before. So I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm hoping for this. I think I need to put the camera a bit higher. This will be the backdrop. I got the green screen. That's not gonna work. Oh, that's great, isn't it? I need to put some heels on because I'm short. 5'3", there we go. That's better. And I did a little outfit change because I'm trying to represent like a split personality, good and evil, subconscious and consciousness. As part of my uni coursework, you have to do a video submission. So like, you have to create a music video. Obviously, we're in a pandemic, so we can't meet in person to do it. I went and got a green screen so we can add cool effects in the background. This notebook here I've been loving currently. It's a 10 subject notebook. I use this for uni. Obviously we've got online lessons now, everything is online. For me personally, my attention span used to be so high, but with like social media, like with everything, has just gone like a bird on a fly. You're being balanced on a water bottle. I'm on my online lesson, but I'm literally so bored. I've done my part already, so I'm still focusing. I just need to do something. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup. I look crazy. I don't know why I did that. Where am I going? I'm not going anywhere. I just decided to put red lipstick on. I didn't do any other facial makeup, just red lipstick. Alright then. And for me, I can't focus if I'm not taking notes. Like, it's very hard for me to focus. So I've got a notebook here, and I have decided to take some notes on my online lessons. An example of what some of my notes look like. And I just basically do some notes and highlight anything that is a keyword, and it just helps me like actively take in information. I think during sixth form, one of my ways to learn was visually. So like I used to do loads of mind maps, get loads of different colors, sticky notes, like rewriting something again and again and again and again really helped me a lot. However, I don't have the time and energy for that anymore. I'm not into like mind maps, or maybe I am, I just haven't done one in ages. It's so thick and it's got little tabs here for each subject. Obviously I don't have 10 subjects because I'm at university. I'm only doing one course, but we've got different modules, so that's quite good for that. And then we've got a lot of webinars as well and lectures on the side, so you can always take notes for that. So that's what I do actually. So recently I've had a webinar on press release, EPKs and bios and PR, so anything to do with music. We get like guests come in and they do like Zoom webinars. So yeah, I just take notes on that. That's helped me a lot actually. It's good to have all your notes in one place. I think if I had this during sixth form, it would have helped me a lot, because in sixth form I was doing psychology, English language and literature, media I did, and then EPQ. Oh my god, EPQ. That is pretty much it.